Alright, YouTube, well, it's the first video of 2025, or 2026, and in this video, I'm going to show you other ways to use an Irish bouzouki. Now, we all know the traditional way, if I can just find my pick wherever I put it. There it is. Now, we all know the way that we use Irish bouzouki. G, D, A, D, and we play chords with it. What if I told you there was another way? So if y'all watch my other video, making a bouzouki sound like a mountain dulcimer, that's exactly where I'm going with this. If you actually just not play the top course, which is G, and just play these three courses, D, the low D, the A, and the high D, not only can you play mountain dulcimer, but if you just improvise and go all over the fretboard, you can get this. You can actually play Greek music on an Irish bouzouki. Even with the Irish standard of G, D, A, D tuning, if you don't play the G strings, you can actually play Greek music on an Irish bouzouki. And in Greek terms, this would be a trixido or tricordo bouzouki, because you're only playing three courses of 6 strings. And if you play a little more closer to the bridge, can actually make it sound like a mini bouzouki known as a tzouras, or a tzouras in Greek music, spelled T-Z-O-U-R-A-S. Let me just check my tuning. So again, that's more ways you can use the Irish bouzouki. Even though in Irish music we use it for chords and we can also use it for melody. If you just not play this G string and just focus on the D, the A, and the high D strings, And if you play, if you play closer to the bridge, you have to get it right, but you can actually make it sound like a Greek tzouras. And there we go. More ways to use your Irish bouzouki. It's not just an Irish instrument, but the bouzouki was actually originally a Greek instrument, but has been adapted to Irish music. And that is how you can play Greek music on an Irish bouzouki. Thanks for watching. More to come later.